People are rightfully focused on the mass and unlawful detentions of immigrants, but more focus really needs to be on what happens after immigrants are detained. Right now, the only effective way to get detained immigrants out from ICE custody is by filing a federal habeas petition in federal court. Federal judges are increasingly stepping in because immigration courts are failing to provide due process. So once someone wins a habeas, a federal judge orders that an immigration judge give them a bond hearing. That bond hearing is supposed to be meaningful and an individualized assessment of the case. And up until recently, judges were giving bonds to individuals who were granted habeas. Just a few weeks ago, in our local court, 2 of the judges who were granting bond were suddenly replaced with 2 judges who have since denied bond in nearly all cases, including in cases that historically have resulted in bond grants. Now, one thing to really know here is that the immigration court system is not independent. It operates under the Department of Justice, which is headed by the executive branch. So immigration judges can be fired. Over the last year, judges who were perceived as obstacles to the administration's immigration agenda have been terminated, while judges who are more aligned with the administration's deportation policies have stepped in. Even a few weeks ago, immigration judges were told to ignore a federal court order, which was an order that protected immigrants' rights to a bond hearing. So it's clear that judges who don't comply with those kinds of orders risk losing their jobs or are replaced. Judges who carry on are allowed to stay. Now, fortunately, the federal courts are there to help with this situation, but it just goes to show you that the immigration court is being used as an enforcement mechanism to maximize deportations and detentions. In fact, just last week, the ICE chief was told to appear in court in order to explain why detained immigrants were being denied due process. So when people are saying that immigrants are getting due process, that just has not been the case. Follow us for more immigration news and information.